Okay, our next command is rotate. Rotate is useful. We use it occasionally, and there are a few ways to use rotate. So if we want to rotate an object, I'm just going to zoom in on this object that we want to rotate. I can select my rotate command on the home area of the ribbon. I can select rotate, or I can also type in RO for rotate, and it will prompt me in the command line. So I'm going to select all of these objects again just by my window crossing polygon. I left click in any area of the screen and I drag downwards and to the right to select all of the areas within the window. Okay, so the first way of using rotate is I just select my objects, I right click to enter once I'm happy with all those objects, and then I'm just going to rotate it from a base point. I'm just going to pick this base point in here, and then I can specify the rotation angle that I want. And so I'm just going to put in 30 degrees, and that will rotate my object 30 degrees. So that's all very fine if I know the actual degrees that I want to change the object, but oftentimes I don't. What I have to do is I have to rotate something relative to something else. So I'm just going to undo that just to show you how I would rotate something in reference to another line. So here I've got a line and I don't know what degree that angle is at. Now I could find it out, but I might not be able to precisely find out what that angle is. So if I want to rotate this object in relation to this object, I can use rotate by reference. So I'm going to select my rotate command, right click in there and select this object. And now I've selected my object. I'm going to select my base point in here, and then I'm going to rotate this by reference. So I either can put in my key letter, which is R, or just select reference down here. Now it's asking me to select a reference angle. So again, I pick a base point. Now my reference angle is this line here. And that's at 0 degrees. So that's my reference angle. So I'm just going to click out here to show that that is my reference angle. And then I'm going to select my new angle. And my new angle is this angle here. So I'm going to select the end point of this angle because that's my reference angle. And there we have moved our object in reference to this line here.